Hold on. I gotta get this to record.
No,
All right.
it doesn't open. Okay, good.
Alright, Tegan's in the bed of the truck and we're about to be fucking shit up.
That's not safe the way he's sitting. I hope he knows that.
Oh fuck. I better put my seatbelt
I
on.
better hurry up because the fucking thing's coming up.
Brian, grab his hat.
Hurry. Hurry.
Alright. Fuck, Tegan's about to get fucked up.
They don't take fucking Tegan. We got
That's
this.
what I'm doing. Fuck, you're about to
Here we go.
fuck all our shit up.
Here we go.
Oh shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit. I'm stopping recording. Oh my god. Pull over.
Oh my god.